No, your eyes don't deceive you. This really is a dog riding a bike. The highly skilled or just aggressively trained pooch is known as Norman the Scooter Dog, and cycling sits alongside an exhaustive array of talents. Despite initial issues getting himself in position, Norman has proved to be a proficient cyclist. Despite this, his real dreams lie far beyond the bike saddle. Norman wants to be a film star, already boasting his own show on Animal Planet. Well, with these kind of skills, he's sure to have other aspiring canine thesps quaking in his tracks.